Let's see. Hiccup again.
Now I ain't gonna be able to hiccup.
Okay, well, let's see. Hiccup. Show everybody how weird your hiccups
There
are.
ain't no weirdness to the hiccup.
Okay, go.
The hiccup like anybody else. You can't just make yourself hiccup on demand.
Well, let's see.
When it comes out, but I don't know if it's gonna come out.
Okay, well, let's see. I'll wait.
Well, we're both gonna be waiting because I don't plan on them.
I know you don't. It just happens. I know. So we'll just wait.
I don't even think I got the hiccups in.
I think I just cured them.
Possibly.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Take that pouch out your mouth. You look dumb.